It's Friday, June 28th, 2013. Steve and I are wandering the streets of Trinidad, Cuba. It's an old city in Cuba, but pretty much every city in Cuba that we've seen is old. There's a beautiful decay and aging process that's gone on here, but unfortunately because they're deprived so many goods to help them to paint, to fix, to rebuild. But the people are as warm and generous. Every time there's a smile to someone, it's returned tenfold with a grin and greeting. We're welcomed very, very warmly as Americans, and we are not uncomfortable in any way other than the heat. Oh my gosh, I don't know that I've ever sweat so much. But it's a wonderful trip. The colors of the city, the houses, and the wonderfulness of the people has really made it a very special trip.